our customers like about IROCK is just the durability of the product. We like to do business with other partners that are similar to Caterpillar, high quality products, where we can use our great product support skills to provide value to our customers. IROCK fits in because they're part of the Cat family in a sense too, being owned by a Cat dealer. Our customers are very comfortable in renting or buying those products from us because they know we're going to stand behind it and they know IROCK's going to stand behind it as well. Again, if you're looking for a business partner that's long-term, not here today, gone tomorrow, going to provide you with a high-quality product, going to be there to support you in the applications you need, we definitely recommend IROCK as a great business partner and supplier.